Hello everybody and welcome. I have a big announcement, or at least for me it's a big announcement. My free melody writing for beginners course is now live. After making tutorials for free on YouTube for over 3.5 years, I thought it was time to create a free course. And why not start with one of the most difficult topics to teach and learn? So why should you take this course? Melody writing for beginners starts from point zero. I made it so that anybody can enroll and follow along, no matter if you read notation or not, because all examples have notation, tabs and MIDI whenever possible. The great thing is that when you finish this course, you'll have enough knowledge to enroll in more advanced courses, for example melody writing for songwriters or melody writing for classical composers. You might wonder, will this course be suitable for me? Who is it for? Anybody who wants to learn more about writing melodies should enroll. I have carefully made this course to be as in-depth and yet all-round as possible. So you just take the techniques and apply them to whatever you're working on. Whatever it is, jazz or music production, rock, pop, you name it. What can you learn? I tried to go as in-depth as possible without getting lost in the endless woods of too much music theory. I wanted this course to be as bite-sized as possible. Some things that you can learn are, for example, basic notation, time signatures, rhythmic patterns and accents, the musical intervals, what are the major and minor scale and how to make them, major and minor chord progressions, melodic movement, melodic phrasing and much more. You might wonder, how can I help? Somebody asked me, will you create more of these free courses? And the answer is yes. I believe that anybody should be able to get started learning music and to feel creative. Being creative is a first necessity for people. It is my goal to give you the tools necessary to help you understand and create the music that you like. But with that said, I also need to eat and pay rent. I don't have any sponsors and I have a very limited policy when it comes to advertising on the channel. So your donations are vital to my free music content. I will be improving this course over time, so whatever feedback you have, anything is much appreciated. In the future I'm planning to add extra videos, new exercises, new assignments and maybe even new chapters. This course is a new starting point with a low-cost entry barrier, because yeah, it's free. So if you do have a spare penny lying around, any type of donation is welcome. And you can do this via my Buy Me a Coffee page. I really hope you enjoy this course and that will lead to some new melodies and new music. And for now, I would say, let's get creative and let's start learning.